Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Neetika. Let's check the pulse of a stock market. Today I've got the stock which has posted incredible results. You will not believe it has posted 747% jump in net profit Y on Y. So, to know the name of the stock and the fundamental and the buying level for the long term, stay connected till the end and smash the like button now and subscribe the channel for these kind of updates. So let's start with the name of the stock. This is from auto sector and the name is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland had Ashok Leyland has posted incredible results in last week. This is actually I will discuss fundamental. I will discuss the fundamental later, but let me first analyze the Q1 results and the news related to the stock. So this is the manufacturer of commercial vehicles CV. So Ashok Leyland on Friday reported 747% Y on Y jump in the standalone net profit. Standalone net profits और consolidated ये होता है कि standalone मतलब overall and consolidate उसकी subsidiary को भी ऐड किया जाता है. So stand and alone net profit is 747% jump Y on Y in this quarter, June quarter, and which is rupees 576.42 crore. Yes, 576.42 crore. ड्यूरिंग द सेम पीरियड इन लास्ट ईयर, ये जो लास्ट ईयर में इसका था प्रॉफिट 68.05 करोड़ ओनली. मीन्स 68 करोड़ से स्ट्रेट 576.42 करोड़ नेट प्रॉफिट हो गया है अशोक लेलैंड का. तो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी enormous jump in profit. And if we'll talk about the revenue, so company's revenue grew by 13.4%, which is actually 8,152 crore from 7,189 crore in last year. Means Y on Y जो है 13.4% का jump है. If we talk about EBITDA, it has come 820.8 crore, which was in last year 320 crore. And margin भी drastically jump किया है, which is मतलब it was in last Q1 23 it was 4.4%, and from there it has jumped to 10%, and margin should always improve. So 4.4% से सीधे 10% margin हो गया, which is 560 bps increase in margin. So overall ये Q1 मतलब Y on Y कंपैरिजन था. एंड अगर देखें तो इसने सारे एस्टिमेट को भी बीट कर दिया. इट हैज बीटन ऑल द एस्टिमेट फ्रॉम CNBC, चाहे वो प्रॉफिट हो, चाहे रेवेन्यू हो, चाहे अर्निंग हो, चाहे मार्जिन हो. द रिजल्ट वाज फैबुलस, फैंटास्टिक. So now we'll discuss the news related to the stock, which is actually Ashok Leyland had announced that it has bagged an order worth rupees 800 crore from the Indian Armed Force. And the order include the contract for making the field artillery and tractor and gun towing vehicle, whatever. मतलब जो भी उनके आर्मी के जो व्हीकल होते हैं वो सब अशोक लेलैंड बनाएगी. मीन्स उन्होंने ऑर्डर रिसीव किया है. So this is very very fantastic news for the Ashok Leyland. Let me discuss little bit about fundamental of the stock, but before that, little bit introduction of the company. It's necessary. So Ashok Leyland is the flagship company of the Hinduja Group. ये हिंदुजा ग्रुप की कंपनी है, having a long standing presence in the domestic medium and heavy commercial vehicle. तो ये हैवी कमर्शियल व्हीकल जैसे ट्रक है, बड़ी बड़ी हैवी व्हीकल बनाती हैं. तो और पैसेंजर व्हीकल कम ही है इनका, कमर्शियल व्हीकल में ये ज़्यादा मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं. and company has a strong brand and well diversified distribution and service also. Now let me discuss the fundamental. The fundamental, I will not say it is very good, it is average only, but because it has posted a fantastic result, it was necessary to discuss this stock with you all, with the fundamental also, because I have to keep all the facts, so I am keeping the fundamental facts also. So Ashok Leyland is a mid cap company and it is from auto sector, or the trading price is current price, actually current price is 182 एंड पी इज 30, जो कि उसके पीयर से अगर कंपैरिजन करें टाटा मोटर से और बाकी लोगों से, तो इट इज क्वाइट लो एंड इट इज वेरी अंडर वैल्यूड एक्चुअली। तो स्टॉक अभी बहुत चीप में मिल रहा है, चीप कॉस्ट है इसकी। सो अशोक लेलैंड का पी 30.78 है, जो कि इट इज क्वाइट अंडर वैल्यूड स्टॉक। Market cap, as I discussed, it is mid cap company. Dividend yield is very good, 1.43, और ROC देखें it is 12, which is also quite okay. Debt to equity 3.64 है, because it is auto company, auto sector, तो ये they always work on debt, इनका debt हमेशा हाई ही रहता है। सो इट्स ओके। टाटा मोटर का भी यू कैन सी इट इज 2.96, तो 3.64 डेट तो कंपनी पे ऑफ कोर्स है। दूसरा आरओई, रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, विच इज 15.05 मीन 15% है, विच इज वेरी गुड एक्चुअली, अच्छा माना जाएगा। ईपीएस इज ओके। फ्लैश शेयर बहुत ज़्यादा है, विच इज एक्चुअली निगेटिव साइन। फ्लैश शेयर 19.04, फ्री कैश फ्लो नहीं है अच्छा। सो दिस all these are facts in front of you, because you have to research about this stock, but stock ने of course रिजल्ट बहुत ही अच्छा पोस्ट किया है। सो fundamental is quite average, I will call it average. Now we'll discuss the buying level for the stock. So now we have come to the chart of the stock to discuss the buying level and tactical level for the stock. Actually, I have opened the weekly chart. If we see the weekly chart, it is looking very good, very positive, showing good strength, and even it has given the breakout also of rounding bottom. तो इसने एक अच्छा, बहुत ही अच्छा वीकली ब्रेकआउट दिया है, और this is the level it has given breakout, and yes, it can come and retest also, it will retest actually. So I can see the very good level for buying can be 170, 171, 170 is a good buying level. If it is breaking this level, it can come to 155 also, yes 155 पे भी आ सकता है, but here yes 157 तक। तो दैट विल सी लेटर कि ये आता है कि नहीं, बट अगर ये 170 तक आता है, 170 टू 171 तक, इट इज़ वेरी गुड बाइंग लेवल फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म फॉर द स्टॉक। एंड नियर टर्म टारगेट कैन बी 210, 210 तक ये बहुत जल्दी ही जा सकता है, even it will go more than that. Buying level for the Ashok Leyland for the long term can be 170, and the target can be 210. That's it from this stock. To know the buying level for the LTI entry, click the right button. To know the buying level for the Federal Bank, click the left button. I will keep bringing these kind of good stock. Stay connected to the channel. Signing off.